It comes in 3 feature-packed models, starting with the Kodiak 700 that provides exceptional value with a mechanical 2- and 4-wheel drive lever, delivering predictable, comfortable, and balanced handling. If you're looking for even more, you can step up to the Kodiak 700 EPS with Yamaha's industry-leading speed-sensitive electric power steering. EPS models also come with additional features like preload adjustable front and rear shocks, front and rear A-arm guards, a full functional digital LCD meter, a 2-inch hitch receiver, and a handlebar mounted light that shines where you're headed. Now let's say you want the highest off-road performance, convenience, and style. Then you should check out the Kodiak 700 Special Edition. It has all the features of the EPS model, plus Yamaha's legendary push-button on-command 4-wheel drive with full differential lock, so you can easily get the most traction possible. Plus cast aluminum wheels and unique special edition paint for a look that's just as aggressive as its performance.